welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Gablo. Please make sure to smash that subscribe button to join the gang. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the Wave Gang. So as you guys can tell by the title of today's video, I have got the Spicy Noodles Challenge and I have got my sisters with me today. So I'm going to let them introduce themselves. You can start on this side.
Hi guys, my name is Dimakato.
And
Refilwe.
so yeah guys, these are the noodles that we bought. Yeah, you guys can see them. So we've already mixed them in together, and I don't know if you guys can see. Let me come closer. Oops. Yeah, that's how they look. So they kind of hard. They don't smell appetizing, but anyways, are you guys ready?
So what are we
supposed to do?
We're supposed to finish, and without drinking, without having to, without drinking. Yeah. Then whoever
Why are
drinks
these
first.
glasses here, babe?
Why is mine the darkest?
It's your problem.
Hayi thelani kancane. So bese
Ah.
nami ngiyathatha la.
Ayikho nje lento yenzayo. What are you?
My bad.
Yeah, it's fine. What's wrong?
Okay, so you guys ready?
Okay, so we're not allowed to drink.
Yeah, you have to
And we must
finish.
finish this.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Whoever finishes first wins.
Yeah.
Ganti race food.
No, like a race, but whoever just finishes first is the winner.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Hi guys.
I can't.
Yo.
I wasn't expecting this. I don't know.
Yo.
It's gonna see one in
Mm.
Anyway, I'm gonna see about it.
Yeah, but yeah. Yo,
Yeah, sure.
I'm in there.
Oh.
I'm itchy. I don't know why I wore this jacket. Like my body is itchy. And my tongue.
You leave it up.
My mouth.
Yo,
Um,
yo. Yeah, doing I mean.
But it's not a tissue.
Are you gonna give me a drink? No,
You drink, you already lost.
no.
I'm even shaking. Yo.
I don't even know where to start. I'm going to quick toss.
Where's our best? Yo, I'm gonna pause.
Let's drink, guys.
I'm moving it.
Lama ko so red.
Is it? Wow.
No.
Kan ngeke ke. Kaya shake ka back.
Yeah.
This is gonna be long.
Yeah.
I think if you stop, it becomes
It becomes worse.
Yo.
Guys, I don't feel like chicken licking. No.
Yo, KFC, is that chicken licking? This is painful, yo. Sana sam.
China.
Yeah.
My mouth is so bad.
Like it's painful.
Yeah.
That's no lie.
And my hair is itchy now.
That's no lie. It's gonna take us a while.
Ah, stop it, idla. Lim lam. My lips.
Mara, we should be able to drink something.
If I could put it in my mouth without it touching my lips. Guys. You should have said who finishes first, but we can drink.
Yeah, I suppose in Chen.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're changing the rules, guys. We are drinking. Yo.
That's better.
There we go.
Yo.
Yeah. Guys, come on, I'm opinion. That's Shanzin.
Nick.
I'm born.
Our conferences. Like I'm shaking.
No, I'm shaking. My lips. Yo.
No, this is bad. Oh, I know this is bad. This is bad.
Don't feel it. I want my way down. You finish this first, let me done.
Yeah.
Guys, Scooby.
Don't underestimate Shem. Imagine now play kanjani.
Trying this.
Lawa play kanjani.
Kakutola balinyasha. Ngetatazela. At least I'll be rubber. Guys, I'm shaking.
Yeah, my nose ring is coming out of that.
I don't think I can. I feel like mine are even more hotter than yours.
Yeah, fat now.
Competition.
Competition, I get that.
Like, guys, like a Kelly.
You feel like at the end. Let's swap.
Yes, so even as
Can I have water?
what? I don't drink milk. Yes, what? Then what is it? What the taman's one? What the taman's one?
That one bite. Because this is best card.
Is this so?
They don't even that taste. Like, I wanna
taste
Marvin. In a sauce.
Hi guys, I can't do.
Guys, they're Diana Land Pagan.
I think even Ninja is not gonna.
Won't even to eat this. Look. Doesn't wanna focus. Yeah, your lips. Oh, mine. Is mine tiny? Look at. Your lips more than you.
I'm like,
I'm even shaking. Guys, Pagan. I
cut the cabelo.
I ain't calling. It's my channel, but I ain't calling that.
do it for your team. Do it for your fans.
You guys better subscribe. I'm not gonna eat this for fun.
What is this?
Oh.
Singathi siyadeda ke manje.
I'm sure one of that is not even this painful or this hot.
You'll color for hours, not even.
It's unbearable.
It's gonna last for a while in a month.
Guys, I'm sorry.
I'll make a slang. A slang of pleasure. Oh, gotcha.
Izobuya ngingaqhubeka.
Gotcha.
Yo,
Ngazosilandela.
Someone has to finish.
Oh, mina.
nangu ngizosiqedela ngifini.
Okay.
Ufuna ukubhodla. Ngifuna
Yo,
ukubhodla.
uzavela uhlala.
You're gonna come with hands because they're going to be
Yo,
like, stop it.
What?
Stop talking about vomit.
What about it? Why you guys to vomit? What vomit?
unjalo. What vomit? Ngizofuna vomit.
You're playing with flames.
Not even chicken is this hard for me.
A tissue.
No.
Now
I'm shaking.
Might not see it.
Did you say a tatamela?
Tatazela. Uyazibona?
Exactly. That's not your good but
Like nomzimba wami like angisithatha ukugodola. Enza it. Ngoba ngoba inane taste, at least if any taste would have made a difference.
It's very nand. It's so
Yeah.
ugly. It's so ugly.
Maybe I don't know what's the hype
They're so ugly.
about this thing.
They're very ugly.
Then I'm trying to let the full time.
Yo.
But you got that?
Like this is the food that I'm noodles wabo.
Apparently it's China.
Apparently it's China. And this is hot chicken
That's all cool,
flavor.
man.
Made in Korea, ramen noodles.
Yeah, plenty COVID.
That's the guy. And this is 2 times spicy. Doesn't it? Kind of black.
Oh, yeah, plenty COVID. Yeah, I like keep on keep this is Oh,
Okay, guys. I'm done.
hi guys, so don't give up. 2 more spoons, 2 spoons.
2 more spoons. Come on, Baba. Come on.
Ah,
Yo.
Like I'm trying.
Noma sekuthiwa noma isigora la angeke.
Bheka isengidlanga kana.
Nami ngidla kanjalo bekithi.
uyazihetha ngcono vele uyithi gumfika yabo mawuthi usele like
Mina I've even got more sauce.
kanjalo ngikuthanda
Yo. It's a rapture man ngkhona. Are you gonna finish? Let's wrap up. Okay guys, we've reached the end of this video. We cannot finish these things. They are too hot. Yeah. Like I wanna taste it. Like nje gubi, guys, don't buy them. I do not recommend. Even if it's guys, don't do it's for content, yes, but even my piercing is a bit hot now. Don't do this, please, guys. Don't try this at home. Yeah, we've reached the end of this video. Guys, please give this video a huge thumbs up because wow, we going through the most. Subscribe. Yo, share it to your friends and family, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.